Hi, hello students. This is Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to SR Maths Tutorials. First of all, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Today our concept is trigonometry identities formulas having three formulas are there mainly. Those are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, as well as last formula is cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Those three concepts, those three formulas are splitted against some formulas. That is very most important formulas in this session. Okay, let us start, sir. The first identity, I'm not proving that one. How many formulas coming from that formula? First formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta. How much, student? 1. Now one of the formula will come in this session. Listen, what do you say about sin square theta? Very easy. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Then what is sin square theta? The cos square theta concept from coming left to right, sign will be changed. Cos square theta subtracting from 1. Sin square theta value is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, sin theta formula how much? Whenever this 2 is coming from left to right, immediately under root over. The square will come under root over. The remaining terms you write as is, cannot be changed. 1 minus cos square theta is cannot be changed. So finally, two formulas coming from this concept. Similarly, as well as this concept again, one more two formulas. Now those formulas are the left side. The first two concepts having here sin square theta and sin theta. Now in this case, cos square theta and cos theta. Now tell me, if in case cos square theta concept is left side is there, immediately the sin square theta coming from left to right, sin square theta having positive, now subtracting from the 1. What you say about cos square theta? Now our concept cos square theta is sin square theta having positive. So sin square theta subtracting from 1. Similarly, this 2 is coming from left to right, under root over. The concept is cos theta. The cos theta is equal to now under root over. You write same terms as this, 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta. Finally, only one of the identity formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, having four formulas are there. One is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to under root over 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to under root over 1 minus sin square theta. This is very important formulas. Okay. Next, I'm going to one more identity that is very important. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. What you say about secant square theta, students? Secant square theta, how much? You want to secant square theta, then tan square theta is coming from left to right. Immediately the sign will be changed of this tan square theta. Actually, tan square theta having negative is there. You write positive. Tan square theta added to 1. So our formula is secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. What you say about just secant theta? Secant theta formula under root over again. Under root over. You write right terms as it is, cannot be changed. Inside of the root. 1 plus tan square theta is completely inside of the root. Secant square theta value 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta value under root over 1 plus tan square theta. If in case students listen, I want to tan square theta. This tan square theta is not stay here because of the tan square having the sign is negative. So the tan square theta whenever possible in positive students. This concept right side is there. Now tan square theta having positive. Okay, this is clear. Whenever you want to tan square theta, immediately one is shifting from right to left. What you say? The formula is, listen. This one is coming from right to left, one having positive, one subtracting from the secant square theta is equal to your concept tan square theta. Very most important formula. How is possible, students? Why am not coming this concept? Because of tan square theta having the sign is negative is there. So whenever one concept of formula always positive. For example, negative is there. That term is coming from left to right or right to left. Here tan square theta left side is there. Immediately just coming from left to right. Now tan square theta having the positive. But right side already one is there. So one is shifting from right to left. The concept is like tan square theta is equal to 1 subtracting from secant square theta. What you say about finally these two concepts are left to right or right to left. So my formula is I want to just tan square theta is equal to tan square theta is how much? Secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. I want to only tan theta. What you say? When a square is coming from left to right or right to left, square root. Square is like square root. The remaining terms inside of the root as it is cannot be changed. Tan theta formula is equal to under root over secant square theta minus 1. This is very important, these two formulas and these two formulas. Okay. One more two formulas also is there. So very important that concept. Some of the problems on that formula. What is that formula? Listen. Now I am taking this formula again. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. The left side of the terms like a square minus b square. For students, this formula like a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. For students, a square minus b square formula is like a plus b multiplied with a minus b. So, the replace of a and b are secant and tan. You applied same formula in terms of the AB. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Right side term as this. Are understood, students? This is a form of a square minus b square. Your formula is a plus b into a minus b. But our replace values of a and b are secant theta and tan theta. So our formula now generate a plus b into a minus b like secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Right side value is 1. So this is very most important formula. You write these two concepts left to right and right to left. Cannot be changed because of the product of the two concepts is commutative property satisfied. Okay. 4 3 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. So secant theta plus tan theta multiple secant theta minus tan theta. Or secant theta minus tan theta multiple secant theta plus tan theta. Same answer. Okay. So this formula can be written as like this one also. Equal to 1. This is a commutative property concept, okay? A into B is equal to B into A formula, okay? Now, what you say about this formula? Only now just this formula. I want to secant theta minus tan theta formula from this one. Now this is product of this concept. So immediately this concept is coming from left to right. Immediately that concept is divided with the 1. Final answer is secant theta minus tan theta is equal 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. One logic is there. Here negative is there. You write here positive denominator. Okay. Here positive is there. Immediately negative. That formula tell me again. Now replace of minus is plus just Now this secant theta plus tan theta you write left side. The product of this concept is coming from left to right, immediately 1 by concept. So answer is 1 by, here positive is here, you write just negative. That is this concept, okay. Finally, how many formulas? Listen. One more 4 formulas of this concept. You know very well secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, having the 4 formulas 1, 2, 3, 4. But one more 4 formulas also is there. That concept is coming from the like a square minus b square formula. Those generate 4 formulas again. One of the formula secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to also 1, students. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Again, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Same concept. The replace of secant and tan is cosecant and cot. That is very most important. I am just explain that concept. Listen. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Value is equal to 1. What you say about cosecant square theta, students? Cosecant square theta is equal to, now this concept negative, add to the 1. Cos square theta added to 1. So our formula cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta. What you say about cosecant theta? Immediately square is square root. You write left side terms as it is, right side term as it is, cannot be changed. Only square is square root applied. Is clear, students? Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta. Cosecant theta is equal to under root over 1 plus cos square theta. I want to cos square theta. Yes, right side term is there. 1 plus cos square theta. So this concept 1 is coming from right to left. 1 is subtracting from cosecant square theta. The remaining term of the right side is cos square theta. I want to cos square theta. Left side I want to cos square theta. The left side is you write right side term left side. LHS is equal to RHS, then RHS is equal to LHS. So cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. This is very important. Now, what you say about to cot theta? Square applied to square root. Remaining terms as it is. Cot theta is equal to under root over cosecant square theta minus 1. This is a very important identity and some formulas coming from this identity. As well as the previous concept secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, having 4 formulas. So those are depending on a square minus b square. Same similar concept also depending on a square minus b square. That concept is in here. I am taking this formula again. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is a form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. You know very well this formula. A plus b into a minus b. What is the a and b? A concept is cosecant theta plus b concept is cot theta. Again, a concept is cosecant theta. B concept is cot theta. One time plus, one time minus. Because of a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Right side term you write as this, cannot be changed. Finally, this concept and this concept both are multiplied to each other. A into b is equal to b into a, commutative property. So formula is again one more is there. That is also 1. Just this minus coming from left to right, right to left. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to 1. One more formula, students. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to how much? 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta. If in case cosecant theta plus cot theta formula 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. These four formulas also very important. One of the identity coming from here, 8 formulas. The previous concept like secant square theta minus tan square theta also here four formulas. But the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta having just four formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to one concept having four formulas. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to one concept is 8 formulas. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to one for having the formulas are 8. Total 8, 8, 4. Clear students, 20 formulas very most important. You repeat of these concepts. Remember of these concepts are in your mind. Very easily you will get the concepts. Okay. Thank you very much. First of all, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Okay. Thank you.